Morning students, in previous video we learned the product, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Previously we learned the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Based on that theorem we are doing some problems here. Express the following are product of primes. In exercise 2, first bit is a express the following or product of primes. First problem 140, second one 156 and 3825 and 5005 and fifth one is a 7429. Here I have old textbook. I think new textbooks means some numbers are different, but process is same. Sir writing exercise 1.2 some numbers, but these problems are not in our textbook. Don't think like that. In our textbook, which numbers are there, that numbers only you take and do the same process. So out of 5 problems, I am taking any one problem. Why? Because we are taking the more problems means we are taking the more time. So the smallest numbers already you know and very easily. Next I am taking these 4-digit numbers. In that 4-digit numbers I am taking that third one 3825. See here, it is a composite or not? First check it. Yes, it is absolutely composite number. Why? Because already I said first checking the divisibility rules. 2 table. This 1's place is 2 is not there, so it is not coming to 2 table. 3 table. Add that all. 8 plus 2 10 18. It will come in third table. And unit digit have a 5. And means it is in 5 table also. Then we are going to start the LCM of this number. So it is 5, so it is not possible second table. Directly I am taking 3 table. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 2 here 22, 3 7 are 21, 1 more is there 15, 3 5 are 50. Clear? Next again 5 you get. In that 5, second table 5 is not coming. So then I am going to third table. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 is 3 table. So I am taking again 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 means 1 remainder is there, totally 15, 3 5s are 15. Okay. Next again 5. You get 5. So say 2 table, it is not possible. Next I am going to third table. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 means in third table 11 is possible? No. 4 table, second table not possible means 4 table also not possible. Then I am going to fifth table. 5. 1's place 0 or 5 means that is in 5 table. So I am taking 5. 5 table 4 not possible. Then I am taking 2 digits means 42. Means 8 5 8s are 40. 2 is remainder. 25 is there. 5 5s are 25. Again I am getting the 1's place 5. So again I am taking 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. It is 35. 35 means 7. 5 7 are 35. 17. Already you know 17 is a prime number. Then stop here only. Then 3825 can be written as a product of primes of 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. simply you can written as a 2 3s are there means 3 square and 2 5s are there means 5 square and only 170 is there. Then I am writing 7. That is the process for composite number can be expressed as a product of primes and that factorization is unique. Single numbers loने express is. Yeah. Next, find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. In the exercise 1.2, it is the second bit. And this 5 out of 5, I explained one problem. Remaining all same. You are not understood anyone in that comment on in comment box. Then I am going to second bit. In this one, find the LCM and HCF of the following. Already you learned the HCF of the following numbers by using the Euclid's division lemma. In examination part, they mentioned find the HCF of the following numbers by using the Frank factorization method or Euclid's division algorithm. Here, not mentioned means you are wish to take any one method. So, already we are discussing the composite number Frank factorization. Then we are following the Frank factorization one. Here, again 5 problems are there. In that, I am taking any one problem. That is first one I am taking. First one is what? 12, 15 and 20. Take separately. 12 is a separate and 15 is a separate and 21 also separate. Now take the LCM of the numbers. These are prime numbers or not? No, not prime numbers. These are composite numbers. Then you are taking the LCM. Otherwise, you are simply written these are prime numbers. It is not possible to find the LCM and HCF. LCM possible. Why? Because to find the product of LCM and HCF is equal to you are getting the product of two numbers. Then here also 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is a prime number. Then stop there. 15 3 5 are 15. 5 is a prime number. Stop here only. Next 3 7 are 21. 7 is a prime number. Then stop here only. Can write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Then 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Again 21 can be written as a 3 into 7. Understood? 12 do the Frank factorization. 12 is equal to this much. And 15 is a composite number. And try in Frank factorization method 3 5 are 15. And 21 3 into 7. In that one, first write the LCM. What are LCM? First, we take the common numbers. 3 in this common, in this also 3, in this also 3. Now remaining all are LCM numbers. 2 2, 2 into 2, and in this all are 3. We take the only 1 3 only. And 5 and 7. Remaining all are LCM only. 2 into 2. Sir, here 3, here 3, here 3. We are taking only single time. But two times are there, but we are taking one time. Means the which number I am round up that. In that 12 also common, 15 also common, 21 also common. That's the reason I am taking the 3 is a single time. Once here 2 is there, in this also 2 there, in this also 2 there. 2 also we are taking single time only. There only one line, that is a remaining 2 lines are not there, that 2. That's the reason I am taking 2 times. 3 3 3. I am taking 3 only one time. And 5 and 7. Next, what are the LCM? See here. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 6 7 is 42 means 420. Next, what is the HCF means? What you are rounded that numbers, that is only one HCF. Which number have a common number for that 3 numbers? That is only one HCF. Which number you are rounding? 3. Then 3 is the HCF. Are you understood? You can try the remaining 4 problems. Any difficult one is there, means comment me. I will explain it next week. Okay.